Hey dolls, welcome back. Okay, I'm really excited to talk about these new lashes that are phenomenal, totally easy to use, give you such a natural but full lash look, and they are so affordable. So if you're interested, keep watching. So obviously we all want those thick, full, luscious lashes, and I'm constantly looking and researching and oh my goodness, what could I use now? What can I try here? And what can I bring for you guys? So with this particular item, it's actually lashes. So KISS has now something called Falscara Lashes. And full disclosure, I have been using these. So this is actually the first box that you purchase. And it comes with your glue wand and a bunch of lashes, of course. I think I have 2 left in here. So what's nice about it is if you have your glue wand and there's plenty of product left, and there is plenty of product left, trust me, then you can just do the refills super affordably. So I'm going to show you how to put these on, how easy they are, and I think you are going to love this. So first and foremost, I am going to pull y'all a little closer so that you can see this. My lighting is a little dark. I apologize about that, but we will make the most of it. So when you purchase your initial lash kit, you not only get the lashes, which are individual chunks of lashes. It's not like the full lash band that you have to cut and fit and all that stuff. You get that, plus you also get the glue and seal bonding, okay? And you also get this really amazing applicator. Metal, super user-friendly, and with these 2 items, this is what makes using these lashes so incredibly easy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my lashes. And again, in your initial lash kit, you will have plenty of lashes just like these. So I don't know if you can tell, but my own lashes now, I don't have anything on them in terms of mascara and so forth. I do have everything else done. I've done, my makeup for the most part. Now I'm going to do my lashes. So I don't use lashes that come all the way into the inner corner. So what I'm going to start with is my favorite mascara, and that is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. And I am just going to take this amazing thin wand and just do the inside corner of my lashes, because I don't want to do this afterwards once my faux lashes are on. So I just want a little bit of length here on my inside corner lashes, okay? And I'm actually going to do one eye for you initially so you can see the difference from either eye with these really cool Falscara lashes. All right. So now we move on to the bonding, and we'll look at the gold side for the bond. I'm not sure if you can see that. I apologize. My lighting is wonky, but this is what it looks like. There's my little tiny lash brush loaded with lash bond. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to cover my lashes where I'm going to add the Falscara lashes. Be sure to come all the way out and be sure to really coat your lashes. Now, you're probably thinking, why is she putting it on like mascara? That's the part you're gonna love. So my bond is on my lashes. Okay, I'm going to grab my first lash. And what I like about this is you can see the different sizes: short, medium, and long. So I like to do long on the outer lash, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull off my lash and grab it with the applicator, okay? And it's curved out. Now this is the part you're gonna love. You are gonna attach them under your lashes. Not on top. Under. I know. So cute, so natural, so out of the box. Now I'm gonna grab a medium lash and I'm gonna go right next door to it, because again, you're gonna match where one band starts and the other band ends, and I'll go right next door with it. And if you just kind of hold it for a moment, that will help attach it. And it's going just at the lash line. See where I'm going with this? How much are you loving this so far? I know. Now, again, I don't do lashes all the way in. You can. I don't, just because I don't know why, but I don't. So I'm actually going to grab another medium lash and go right next door to the last lash. And whoop, there it is. How amazing. So here's what's cool. Once you're done attaching your Falscara lashes from underneath, you will now take the silver side of your wand to seal. I don't know why I'm bother showing you, it doesn't even show, but you're gonna now seal your lashes so they're not sticky. So there is my seal wand. So there's gonna be plenty of seal on here. And you're just gonna go over the Falscara lashes so that the glue seals and doesn't stick to your lower lashes every time you blink, and seals it for the entire day. Now, short of doing a little bit of mascara on my inner corners, I did not have to use any other mascara. Look at how amazing that is. Now, to keep a youthful lifted look with my eyes, once in a while I'll put a little dab of mascara on the bottom lash, but I'm actually not going to do that today. I'm going to keep them bare, but I am going to follow up with a little lighter eyeliner on my waterline just to open up my eye. And now if you really want, you could probably follow up with a little mascara at the tips. I don't, and I won't, because I like to reuse my lashes. How gorgeous are they? I'm so excited about these lashes. And by the way, it takes no time at all. So once you're in it, doing it yourself, it's so super quick. So what do you think about that? Before, after. So cute, so easy. And a huge shout out to Paulina Poroskova. She's the one that did a vid on these, and I was like obsessed. almost as obsessed as I used to be with her when she was a full-blown model. Like, oh my goodness. So when she's coming out with tips and beauty tricks and so forth in our age group, Gen X doll and baby boomer doll, I'm gonna listen. So that's it, you guys. How easy was that? Here's the final with both of them done. You can see them. And what I like about it is when you're looking down or closing your eyes, you're not gonna see a top lash line of glue like you do when you're doing your lashes from the top. You can go in and do eyeliners, liquid, crayon, I don't care, pencil, I don't care what kind of eyeliner you use. It's not going to interfere with any banding because they're from underneath. And I think it's genius by KISS. So well done, KISS. Thank you for being so amazing. Thank you, Paulina Poroskova. I want to be you. And thank you for checking out my video. Please leave a thumbs up. I would super love it. And hit that subscribe button below. Brand new channel. Would love to stay here, and I don't mind looking ugly, so you can look pretty. All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.